thank you, Gutterdogs.
Thank you.
Go Gutterdogs.com.
Awesome job, guys.
It was an amazing job. I would recommend them to anyone.
I'll be calling them back every time I need my house clean. Gutterdogs is the way to go.
Great siding, the gutters, the soffits. You guys did an awesome job. I would highly recommend Gutterdogs.
More.
Okay.
Thank you, Gutterdogs.
Price was fair and the job was outstanding, so I'd recommend these guys to anybody.
Very good, man. Call Gutterdogs for all your exterior fitting needs, 240-355-1110, or see